Welcome to Homework Lib.
To calculate the margin of error and construct a 95% confidence interval for the population mean driving distance for the new ERC driver, we'll use the given sample mean, sample standard deviation, sample size, and formula for the margin of error. So the sample mean is 286.9, the sample standard deviation is 10, the sample size is 9, the confidence level is 95%, so alpha is 0.05, and the margin of error is the critical value t times the sample standard deviation over the square root of the sample size. For a 95% confidence level with 8 degrees of freedom, 8 because that's one less than the sample size of 9, the critical t is about 2.306. And so the margin of error is equal to 2.306 times 10 over the square root of 9. Calculating. At 7.6. I don't see what you need to round to. I'm just going to go with 4, and you can change that accordingly. But the margin of error is 7.6867. So then the confidence interval is the sample mean plus or minus the margin of error, which is going to be 286.9 plus or minus 7.6867. And so the lower boundary is found by subtracting. Again, feel free to round to different decimal places here. I'm going to go 4. That's 279.2133. And an upper boundary found by adding. That's 294.5867. So that would be the 95% confidence interval for the population mean driving distance for the new ERC driver.